I am Hannah Pablo and I'm going to talk about mesh. So let us first define what mesh is. Mesh is the smallest single independent loop in a circuit. So mesh can be useful in different kinds of circuits, but it is applicable only to those networks that are planar. So this is an example of a mesh so that we will know what a mesh is in a circuit. So in this circuit we have how many meshes? So of course we have 4. So I will show you what are the meshes in this circuit. So this is mesh 1, this is mesh 2, this is mesh 3, and this is mesh 4. So now you have seen the difference between nodes and meshes. If you would count the nodes in this, it will be a lot more. So here the mesh in here is only 2. So here it is 1, then 2. 1. So we have here a sample problem where there are 2 voltage sources and 3 resistors. So this is 84 volts, 20 volts, 12 ohms, 8 ohms, and 6 ohms. So first we will assign the current in the mesh. So this will be the left hand mesh or I1, then this will be the right hand mesh. So after we have assigned the current in the mesh, we will assign the polarity of the resistors. So this will be positive, negative, or either negative or positive. Positive, negative, whichever you may prefer. Positive, negative. Then we will apply KCL in the left hand mesh. So at I1 we will have the first polarity that we pass through is negative. So this will be negative 84 plus, because it is positive, 12 times I1. Then again plus 6 times, this will not be I1 because there are 2, but because it is between 2 meshes, so it will be the first mesh I1 minus the second mesh, which is I2. So we will equate it to 0 because according to KCL, all of the voltages that are added together is equal to 0. Then we will simplify this equation and we will get 18I1 minus 16I2 minus 6I2 is equal to 84. So now we will use KCL at the right hand mesh, which is I2. So it will be negative 6 because we first pass through negative side times, it is in the middle again, I1 minus I2 then we will add 8 I2 and then subtract 20. It is only 20, it doesn't have I2 because it is already in voltage, both of them. Equate it to 0, then we will have another equation which is negative 6I1 plus 4I2 is equal to 20. Now we have two equations and two unknowns, which is I1 and I2 again. So we will equate the two equations so that we will get the answer. So after equating this two, we will now get I1 is 12 amperes. I2 will now be 8 amperes, while I1 minus I2 will be 4 amperes. So these are the answers to our question.